up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, you guys. So today I got something in the mail, you know. I got a new package and UPS got my address right. If you watched my Morphe x Jeffree Star palette review tutorial, then you'll know the dilemma, okay? You'll know the dilemma with UPS, but this one came right on time and I was so happy. So in my magic box, I've got the brand new Morphe 3503 palette, you guys. I am so excited for this palette right here. Yes, it's another warm toned palette. Yes, I probably have like a million palettes that have these shadows, but I mean, look at the packaging. I mean, this like copper oiled writing here. Oh, it's so pretty. So this rude. So this is what the palette looks like right here, you guys. As you can see, we have some pretty neutrals, some pops of pink, this pretty this pretty like copper gold shade that's going on my lid today, guys. That's going. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's going on my lid. So this is what the palette looks like, and I'm going to compare it to the 350, which is the original, and the 3502. So let me grab those real quick. Okay, so this is the original Morphe 350. As you can see, it was loved. I still love it, but it's been loved, especially this cool tone like brown shade right here. Oh, bomb. Next we got the 3502, and I am missing this. Oh my gosh, this black shade was the best black eyeshadow I've ever used in my life, but unfortunately it left us. But this is a lot warmer than the 350, the original 350. So when this one came out, it was so hyped. So this is the 3502 right here. So now we have the 3503. So if you want to know what I did with my eye makeup today, then keep on watching. First, I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and I'm gonna go in with this like burnt terracotta. It's like a burnt terracotta right here. So I'm gonna take that on my fluffy brush and I'm gonna pop that basically all over the lid. I want to do like a sunset halo type situation. So all of the shades I put on the top lid, I want to put on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna go in with, what brush should I go in with? So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E17, and I'm gonna take that orangey shade and just connect it to the top and bring it down this way. Like really rounded. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this bright orange shade right here on my fluffy brush. I'm gonna pop that onto the eye. I'm gonna take my E17, dip into that shade, and connect it to the top. So I'm gonna take it's a Morphe brush, but it doesn't have a number on it. I'm gonna go in with these two pink shades right here. I'm gonna mix these two pink shades, this one and this one right here. And I'm gonna pop those like more into my crease area. And then since this brush has like a pointed end, I'm just gonna bring it down to the lower lash line. Okay, so now that we have that color down, I'm gonna go in with this deep burgundy shade right here. And I'm just repeating basically the same steps, taking it on my brush and popping it into the crease. Because I want all these shades to blend really well and just fade into one another. Like a nice sunset. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to go back in with this bright orange right here on my fluffy brush and just add a little bit more orange to the tops of the eye. I really want this to be nice and rounded, like kind of like a panda, kind of like a panda eye. Bring it in. So I'm gonna take my E17 and I'm gonna pick up this really dark purple right here. And I'm gonna pop that into the crease and a little closer to the lash line. Okay, so now that I have that down, I'm gonna go back in with the pinks and blend out the top portion and bring it around. There's a lot of like blending going on in this one because I really want it to be really seamless and look like it's just fading into the abyss, you know, the sunset, you know, yeah. Like, I mean, everyone has seen a sunset, so you know exactly like what I'm talking about when I say just like seamless and blended. So that's really what I'm going for, like effortless blend. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yes. So next I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia eye primer and I'm gonna cut out or carve out that halo. Okay, so now that we have our eyes carved, I want to go in with this pretty, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So this is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna take my finger. I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna press it. Oh yes, yes. I'm gonna press it into the center of the lid. On second thought, I think I'm gonna take my brush. I think I'm gonna take the brush instead so I can really like pack it, yeah. Okay, so now that we have the gold down, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe brush. I'm gonna take those two pinks and I'm gonna press them right up against that gold shade. So we can have a nice like ombre effect and blend out the sides. And if too much of that gold gets covered up, I can always go back and add a little bit more. So it's fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my E18 and I'm gonna pick up that deep berry shade and press it a little bit more on the outer corner. And bring it down towards the lower lash line. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with that deeper purple right here. I'm gonna do the same thing on the outer corner and bring it down this way. in the inner corner. Okay, so the tops of the eyes are complete. I'm gonna go in with this pretty bright green right here, and I'm gonna apply that to the lower lash line. And kind of smoke it out, just the lower lash line. Okay, for inner corner, I'm gonna take my JH42 and I'm gonna dip into this pretty lime green right here. And I'm gonna spritz my brush. Woo, spritzing brush, spritzing brush. And I'm gonna pop that on the inner corner. And bring it towards the lower lash line. Yes. Now the eyes are complete. I'm going to pop on some lashes, finish up the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Woo! Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I popped on my ColourPop I Love Stunna E Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Mamacita, but under it I put the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Rouge. But I do want to top it off with one of the one of the Morphe Natural Born Stunner lip glosses. So this also came, so there was a bundle for like 1 day only online where you get the palette and this for like a discounted price. So that's when I purchased mine. So we have 5 shades right here, and I think I'm gonna go in with this like rosy gold shade. Y'all know rose gold is like my favorite color ever in life. So I'm gonna go in with this one, which is the shade Aw Yeah. Okay, so this is what the shade looks like right here on my hand. As you can see, it's like a pretty rose gold. So I'm just gonna put it like in the center of my lips. It's like, yeah, it's pretty. I'm just gonna tap it like in the center. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so you guys, this is the end of the video. I really like how the look turned out. It's really like, it gives me like Dr. Facilier vibes. Yeah, so this is the final look using the brand new Morphe 3503 palette. If you'd like to see more looks using this palette, please let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!